Well, as you guys can tell, it has been a little bit. I have some sneakers to unbox for y'all, and I'm gonna kind of do this like a live stream format. I know I'm not live streaming, but I'm gonna do this one continuous take, show you guys everything I picked up. So let's get right into it. First up on the docket, as you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of sneakers right here. We're gonna start off from my least favorite to my most favorite. So starting it off right here, I did pick up 2 pairs of the Anthony Edwards AE2s right here, the Adidas joints at the outlet for a steal of a price. I was able to pick up these pairs for $30 each. Yes, that is correct. $29.99. Now the reason why I did pick up 2 pairs was because one's gonna be for me and one's gonna be for my dad. This pair right here was too clean for me to pass up on, especially for the price. Super simple, black, white and red AE2s, and like I said, for 30 bucks this was an instant cop. It was 70% off because I believe the retail on these were 100 bucks. Correct me down in the comment section if I am wrong. Right here for $30, they look good on feet, something you could throw on, something if your boy wants to step back on the court, he can ball up in these. So very versatile, and like I said, this is just a sneaker that I'm going to keep in my closet, probably throw on once or twice a year, but for 30 bucks I couldn't pass it up. So I did try on the size 11 and it was kind of tight. So I might have to rock the 11 and a half, and my dad might have to get left out because he's a size 12. So I don't know if that's even gonna fit him. So we'll have to check it out. We'll have to see what's going on. If not, I can always return the size 11 and just keep the 11 and a half because I got 30 days return policy. So you already know, I'll take it straight back to the outlets. But at least one pair is staying in the collection. Whether it's 11 or 11 and a half, we don't know. All right, moving on to the 3 bangers right here. Each one of these can have a dedicated video for itself. They're all heat, all fire. But I'm gonna start with my least favorite out of these 3, and that's gonna be the Stranger Things Foamposite right here. Now, Soulplay did select your boy to be one of the 10 winners to go to this exclusive Stranger Things event, and I was lucky enough to be able to grab this pair right here. Now, I know these pairs are still sitting at some Foot Lockers, Champs, and some other boutiques, but I had to get my hands on this pair right here. The box is crazy. We get the textured box with the Vecna vines going all the way throughout the box. We got America, we got South America, we got the whole globe on the top of this box. Nike branding going throughout, kind of giving that 1980s vibe. Can't forget about the little hidden Stranger Things details right there on the bottom of the lid. Stranger Things paper. And as we pull it back, we are greeted with the Stranger Things Nike Air Foamposites. These things are beautiful. Details are going crazy. I love all the lightning bolts, upside down penny logos. These new laces on here are fire, and all the hidden details. The insoles has Vecna's face on it. We got Found You on the pull tab right there, on the inside of the pull tab right there in red. And the bottoms of the sneakers do glow, as well as all the lightning bolts, which is super fire. Now, there are no extra laces, but we do have these beautiful black ones, these new ones. They're kind of like ripped already, kind of like vines, kind of old and distressed, but I like the look. And I don't know if it's just me, but these kind of give me the Dornbecker Foamposites, those red ones, kind of a similar vibe. I think it might be the outsole and probably the red uppers, but like I said, this is a super fire shoe, and any Stranger Things fans must have this in their collection. And probably one of my favorite parts, that mini Nike swoosh right there on the toe. Fire shoe, fire pickup. I believe this was retail was $250, $260 I think after taxes. Not much to be made on the secondary market on these. This was definitely a personal cop. I think resale is going for probably right around retail. Listen, before we get into the other 2 sneakers, I do want to shout out the good people over at Apothecary. Make sure to use your boys code TheRealTA Vlogs at checkout so they know I sent you. Next up, we're gonna do the Vans right here. This is a newer release. I believe this dropped the last week for a retail price of 130 bucks, and I cannot believe I'm saying this, but Vans are actually reselling. This pair right now is going anywhere, depending on the size, for about $200 to $250. So that's about $100 in profit you can make if you were able to get this pair for retail, which luckily I was able to hit on their website. And right now, everybody's going crazy for this pair. And listen, I don't know, I like it, I don't like it. I gotta see how I have it with a fit to be the full judge, but right here, we do have the Pearlized Vans in the navy blue colorway, and I like that Vans is definitely trying to revise themselves and do some cooler things. But listen, I don't know if it's just me, but I can't really rock with this dirty midsole. Like, I understand a little bit distressed, but bro, this looks like somebody ran it over with a truck. Like, look at it. It looks like someone was skating in these for years, and then Vans was like, yo, let me get that midsole and let me put this new uppers on here. So I don't know if every pair is like this. I've seen pictures and I don't think every pair is like this. Even like, look, the left shoe is a little bit lighter. This right shoe is so dirty. Like, look at them next to each other. So I guess each pair is uniquely distressed, if that's what you want to call it. But the midsoles come pre-aged or dirty. This is not even pre-aged. This is just pre-worn, pre-used. The laces aren't pure white or cream. They have black marks going throughout them as well. These pearl hits are fire. I love that. Now, I was wondering because I've seen the same navy Vans, the old school 36, I believe is the model. Yes, old school 36. And you can pretty much customize this yourself because I've seen this exact shoe, obviously without the distressing and without the pearls, but I've seen this exact Van. You guys could go to Vans and stick on some pearls and diamonds and jewels and dirty the midsole and make your own pearlized Vans for probably half the price, because this shoe probably goes on sale with the materials, maybe another 30, 40 bucks. So probably for $100, $120, you could probably make your own unique pearlized Vans at home. Listen, I like that Vans is doing this. I like that Vans is reselling. I'm going to have to see how it looks on me. If not, this is definitely going to be sold because I need the extra 70 bucks. And let me know down in the comment section below, are you guys rocking with the new pearlized Vans? And is Vans going to be the new hot shoe of 2026? No extra laces, just the pre-distressed ones, but that's okay. Like I said, this is a fire shoe, but I don't know if it's going to be for me. And it's good that Vans are finally getting some recognition. You know, they've been out of the sneaker game for quite some time. Nobody has been really rocking Vans. I believe the last time Vans was really popping was when they were doing the Revenge Storms, and that's not even Vans. That's a rip-off Van. That was, I think, Ian Connor made his own brand, or somebody else made their own brand called the Revenge Storm, and everybody was rocking those instead of Vans. But that's been the last time that type of shoe has been popping. And last but not least, probably one of my favorite pickups of the entire year so far. I know we're only like 4 months in, but this is probably one of the best sneakers, and this might be a top 10 sneaker of the year for me personally. Right here, we have the black Nike Air Jordan 1 box, and as you guys can see by that size tag right here, we got the Union joints. Shout out to my brother Danny for plugging me in, securing my pair. I didn't have to do anything. At first, I missed out on all the releases. I wasn't really too bothered with this shoe, but the more and more I saw it, the more and more I wanted it. And my brother came in the clutch and was able to get me a pair. They just showed up at his house and he said, these are for you. And boom, right here we have the red, blue, and black Union's Fragment collabs. That's what I'm talking about right there. That Fragment detailing looking oh so beautiful. I think I got the sticker one. This is not a stamped in. I know that's been like kind of an issue. Some pairs have been stamped in and some pairs are like the sticker. I don't know, that's like a half and half, to be honest with you. It kind of looks like a sticker to me, not stamped in. Wow, I just now realized that. I've had this shoe for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't really been looking at it too much. It's been sitting in the box, but looking at it now, unfortunately, I think I might have gotten the sticker joints. It looks a little bit debossed, but it doesn't look like a deep imprint. Wow, that's unfortunate. I really wish I would have gotten the deep pressed in Fragment logo, but still the sneaker is a 10 out of 10 for me. Now you already know with Union collabs, they give a ton of laces. I believe here's a yellow pair of laces. It comes standard with these black and white laces, and I think there's like 3 or 4 more laces. We got black and red right here. We got all black as well. Is there another pair? Nope, that's it. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of laces. You already know Union gives you the options to be able to rock your J's however you want them. Right here, a beautiful shoe. Quality is A1, color blocking, wearability, everything about this shoe is A1, and the price point is really good as well. I believe it's only like 50 to 100 bucks over retail, so you really can't go wrong picking it up on the secondary market. And I do believe they were kind of available, maybe not widely available, weren't too limited. Basically, if you tried hard enough, I think you were able to get your hands on a pair of these, so I really do love that. I love when the sneakerheads can actually get their pairs, and even when they miss out, they're not charging too much. Like I said, 50, 100 bucks over retail isn't too bad. But there you have it, a traditional Air Jordan 1, really with just different color blocking, some different materials around the ankle collar. We got the red on the upper, the blue on the bottom with the black toe right there to go in the toe box. We got the blue outsole. Definitely a super wearable shoe and definitely one I can't wait to rock. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are some of my recent pickups for this year so far the content is definitely going to be slowing up on the sneakers and fashion side because I'm just not buying as much as I used to. I'm going to be more focused on my car channel. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you guys go over there. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Show your boy some love. If you guys are interested in cars in any way, I will appreciate a subscription, and share the channel out with one of your friends, family, somebody that likes cars. Share the channel out because we want to grow that channel and we want to do some crazy car content. Don't worry, sneaker and clothing content is still going to be pumped out. It's just going to be at a slower rate. So I got y'all. Whenever I get something new in, I'll make sure to drop a video. But like I said, I'm just going to be slowing down on buying as many sneakers as I did last year because the car is not a cheap asset. It is definitely something very expensive and taking up a lot of my time and money. So that's where I've been. Now don't forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm going to be posting car and fashion and sneaker content over there. So make sure you stay up to date. And if you guys are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to build up a community over there. All right, y'all. Well, I got to get this video out and posted because I don't think I posted on this channel for about 70 days, which is crazy. It's been my longest streak without posting on this channel, but don't worry, the content is going to start flowing. More sneakers, more clothing. I got y'all. Don't worry. I'm just a little bit busy right now, but I'm going to be posting a lot more content as much as I can. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.